Today, I would like to talk about blood clots, which are a major cause of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases that rank high among the causes of death, except for cancer. You may have heard of the term blood clot before, but you may not be familiar with what it exactly means. A blood clot refers to a small clot of blood that forms when the blood in the blood vessel coagulates. Most of the time, it is formed on the blood vessel wall and often includes part of the blood vessel wall. Blood clots travel with blood, and when they come to a narrow area in the blood vessel, they can obstruct or completely block the blood flow, especially when a major organ is connected to the blood vessel that is blocked, which can cause fatal problems. In summer, the risk of blood clots increases because high temperature causes the blood vessels to expand, which slows down the blood flow to the brain. When the body loses water, the blood becomes viscous, creating an environment that is more prone to blood clots. Therefore, it is essential to drink enough water and be careful not to become dehydrated in the summer. Stroke and myocardial infarction caused by blood clots can occur suddenly without any warning signs, which can be life-threatening. Once these conditions caused by blood clots occur, it is difficult to recover as they have already become serious. Prevention is the best way to avoid them. When blood clots occur, blood loses its role as a blood vessel, and the blood clot blocks the blood vessel, which can cause cardiovascular or cerebrovascular diseases. Today, I will also talk about foods that can help prevent blood clots. Please watch until the end. By subscribing, liking, and activating notifications, you can receive diet and health information quickly. Some factors that lead to blood clots are obesity, high cholesterol, arteriosclerosis, and aging. Prevention of blood clots is possible by improving daily habits and eating habits. The main reason for the blood to become cloudy is excessive nutrients. Blood collects wastes from each cell and sends them to the kidneys to be expelled from the body. When there are excessive nutrients or waste products left, the blood becomes sticky. Excessive nutrients are related to high-calorie meals made up of animal protein and fat. To keep the blood clear, you must avoid overeating. If you consume more than the amount your body needs, the excess will be stored in the body as fat in the blood, etc. Therefore, you should reduce meat intake and consume enough dietary fiber. Dietary fiber inhibits fat absorption in the intestines, and fish rich in omega-3, such as mackerel and sorry, also lowers the amount of neutral fat and helps prevent blood clots. Smoking should be prohibited for good blood circulation. It is also important to regularly consume sulfur-rich foods to reduce active oxygen. Let me introduce some beneficial foods for removing blood clots. First, there's bok choy, a type of Chinese cabbage that originated in China. Considered the most nutritious vegetable in the world, bok choy contains abundant vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients that promote bone health and improve blood circulation in the body. With over 90% water content, it also supports skin care and gastrointestinal health. Additionally, it contains many vitamins, calcium, and dietary fiber, which boost the immune system. Most importantly, beta-carotene helps prevent blood clots and maintains vascular health, making it an essential vegetable for regular consumption. Let's take a closer look at the components of bok choy that benefit our bodies. Number 1. Potassium. With its high potassium content, it regulates cell osmotic pressure and balances the body's water levels. Additionally, potassium helps prevent high blood pressure by excreting accumulated sodium in the blood vessels, thereby reducing blood pressure. However, individuals with kidney disease should be cautious with high potassium intake. For the general population, it is recommended to consume about 200 grams per day, which is equivalent to about 3 leaves of bok choy. Number 2. Quercetin and camphor. These compounds help clean up blood vessels, prevent inflammation and oxidation, and reduce bad cholesterol. They help prevent blood clots and improve blood circulation. Number 3. Beta-carotene. It plays a crucial role in smoothing blood circulation and preventing the formation of blood clots. Bok choy contains 753 milligrams of beta-carotene per 100 grams, which is more than 150 times that of cabbage. It also helps to form good cholesterol and suppresses the formation of blood clots, greatly reducing the risk of myocardial infarction. Making and consuming bok choy juice is very helpful in preventing blood clots. Simply wash the bok choy thoroughly, then mix it with bananas in a 1-to-1 ratio and half a cup of water. Blend them together until smooth. Bananas contain a significant amount of potassium, which helps to lower blood pressure by aiding in the excretion of sodium in the body. The second is turmeric. The substance called curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammation and makes the blood thick, which has an anticoagulant effect. Curcumin lowers blood cholesterol levels and triglycerides and prevents cholesterol from accumulating in blood vessels. The third food that is rich in omega-3 and directly helps dissolve blood clots is oily fish such as mackerel, sorry, and herring. We recommend small fish like anchovies and horse mackerel when it comes to omega-3. The amount of omega-3 in anchovies is more than twice that of salmon, which people often eat. It also lowers cholesterol levels and prevents the buildup of triglycerides. The fourth food that prevents blood clots is garlic and onions. Onions contain anticoagulant components that dissolve blood clots and increase good cholesterol, which not only improves blood pressure but also contains special substances that can remove toxins from the body. Quercetin has a very strong antioxidant function and protects blood vessels from aging and prevents blood clots from occurring by protecting blood vessels from attacks by reactive oxygen species. Onions have a high iodine content compared to other vegetables, making the blood clear, and garlic also has the effect of regulating blood pressure and diabetes. The fifth food is old pumpkin. It is very rich in vitamins and minerals and is rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. The amount of beta-carotene in old pumpkins is much higher than that in sweet potatoes or red pepper. In addition to preventing high blood pressure by helping to excrete sodium in the body, beta-carotene in old pumpkins can also improve blood flow to the brain. Today, I talked about blood clots. Nobody knows when, how, or how much blood clots are formed. However, there are many irreversible consequences that can occur when a blood clot blocks a blood vessel. Among them, the most regrettable is sudden death. Please remember that these blood clots can cause unfortunate incidents when people are unaware of their existence. I recommend that you try practicing the methods I mentioned one by one. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your loved ones. That's all for today's content. I will come back with better content next time. Thank you for watching.